So the sketch was already ready and I decided to jump straight into coloring. That's where the real challenge began. Because I never tried a portrait in oil pastels before. The first few strokes felt heavy, bold and little scary. I wasn't sure how skin tones would turn out. Oil pastels aren't easy to control. Once you put the color down, there's no going back. They smudge quickly, they layer in unexpected ways, and blending skin tones honestly felt like a battle. Sometimes shades got muddy, sometimes too bright. But I kept experimenting, hoping the face would slowly come alive. My hands were covered in color. The table was a complete mess. But honestly, that's the fun of oil pastels. You can't stay clean with them. You have to embrace the chaos. And somewhere in that mess, something beautiful starts to form. And then, little by little, things started to make sense. When the eyes got some depth, when the lips finally had a natural curve, I felt like portrait was actually talking back to me. Those small wins gave me courage to keep going. For the final touches, I trusted the process. A bit more layering, some highlights in right places, and portrait slowly started to breathe. It wasn't perfect, but it felt live, and that was enough for me. And here it is, my very first oil pastel portrait. Not flawless, but very special. Because for me, this was about more than just drawing. It was about daring to try something new.